In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your Shopify store with this comprehensive step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in and transform your store with the addition of a captivating blog. First, you'll want to start by going to your Shopify admin. Navigate over to the My Store section on your Shopify dashboard's homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to find the Content section. This is where you'll be organizing all of your written work, including your new blog posts. After clicking on Content, look for the Blog Posts heading. Within this area, you'll find the option to manage your existing content and, of course, where we're going to create something new. Now it's time to click on Create Blog Post. Here is where the magic starts. Begin with crafting an engaging title for your article. A well-thought-out title can make a huge difference as it's the first thing your readers will see. Next, it's time to focus on the Content section. Here, you'll want to pour your knowledge, insights, and personality into a new piece that resonates with your audience. Make your content informative and engaging to establish trust and encourage further exploration of your store. With the content squared away, click on Visibility to determine the timing for your post's publication. You might choose to make it visible immediately or schedule it for a future date and time that aligns best with your marketing strategy. Moving on, it's important to select an image that complements your blog post. This visual element will not only make your blog more appealing, but also help convey your message more effectively. Make sure that your image is high quality and relevant to the content you're presenting. Now let's discuss Excerpt. The excerpt will act as a teaser for your article. It's a brief overview that appears on listing pages or summaries, so make sure it captures the essence of your post and piques interest. As we move forward, we'll need to refine the search engine listing. This involves editing the SEO title, description, and URL of your blog post. Doing so optimizes your content for search engines, improving your store's visibility in search results. Next up is the Organization section. Here you can assign your post to an appropriate blog category, thereby making it easier for your visitors to find the related content they're interested in. Additionally, consider adding tags to your post. These function like keywords, grouping similar content together and improving usability on your site. Finally, the theme template enables you to customize the look and feel of your blog, aligning it with your store's design aesthetics. And there you have it. You've successfully added a blog to your Shopify store, an invaluable tool for engaging with your audience and driving traffic. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you on your journey to enriching your Shopify store with engaging and valuable content.